So we are here at the farthest, do you say farthest? The most far point of where we were staying on the beach over there. So it's quite a walk. I think maybe 1, 2, 3 miles or something like that. It took us about half an hour. This is like the first time I'm speaking while I'm on the beach or in the city or somewhere else in Havana, because I'm a little shy. But here there's nobody, just him, but that's fine. So yeah, now we're gonna walk back to our friends and see if he's not tired to walk the other way from where we are staying on the beach. But this is like one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen in my life. There are probably much more beautiful beaches than this one, but wow. It doesn't remind me to Panama at all, because I was in my head trying to compare the beaches or the island, Saboga Island. If you do remember, have a look somewhere here or here to my other videos about the Saboga Island. It's a mini-series with about 5 episodes, so quite interesting to watch. But this beach, actually I've never seen in my life this color in the sea. So yeah, it's all quite new for me. Can you write down in the comments where you've been and what you think is the most beautiful beach where you've been? Yeah, let me know. Okay, we are going back to where we were. See you later. Gracias. Ahí entran en la... Ese video es fajido. Ese video se lo vamos a... Amor, no. penso sia un hotel, no? Funny how this one beach has like different locations where you can swim and where it's probably very dangerous to swim. Like this part, I mean, you can see it's a lot of rocks and you don't know how deep it goes, because all of a sudden it goes very deep. And at the point when we were over there, that was like perfect to swim, and no other tourists, because it's way too far to go for them. We are here at, I forgot the name, I'll look it up and I'll tell you, or you can read it somewhere here or here or here or here. It's called something like Baracoa or something like that. I forgot. Okay, I figured out. The name of the beach is Guanabo. Guanabo en español. No español. Guanabo no español.